In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the session indicator on Tradingview, a feature that's incredibly useful for traders who want to visually differentiate trading sessions throughout the day. We'll take this step by step to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. So, even if you're new to Tradingview, you'll find it straightforward to follow along. To get started, first navigate to your Tradingview account and open any trading chart. This is where we'll be applying the session indicator. It's important to choose a chart that you're comfortable with and have been using for your analyses. This familiarity will help you see the changes more clearly as you make them. Next, once you're on your chosen chart, look for the Indicators tab at the top of the screen and click on it. This is where you can access and add a variety of indicators Tradingview offers to enhance your trading strategy. After clicking Indicators, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type Sessions to locate the specific sessions indicator we are going to use today. When you type in Sessions, you'll notice a variety of options pop up. For this setup, make sure to select Sessions Lux Algo from the list. Lux Algo provides a robust set of tools for market analysis, and the Sessions indicator is particularly popular for its clarity in showing different trading sessions. Once you've added the indicator to your chart, you'll need to adjust its settings to better suit your preferences. Click on the settings icon, which usually appears as a gear next to your newly added indicator. Here, we're looking to customize a few elements for optimal visualization. Firstly, find the option for Show Daily Divider and uncheck it. This step ensures that you focus on the sessions without unnecessary daily breaks cluttering your chart view. From here, move on to the Range Area Transparency slider. Set this slider to 79. This determines how opaque or transparent the highlighted session areas will appear on your chart, allowing you to maintain a clear view of your entire chart while still highlighting the session areas. Next, you might want to change the color of the session indicators to make them distinguishable according to your chart's color scheme. Different colors can represent different sessions, making it easier to tell them apart quickly. Choose a color that stands out yet continues to harmonize with the rest of your chart design for better visual clarity. Finally, once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to apply all changes. Now, your Tradingview chart will display the distinct sessions, providing you with a clear overview of where trading activity is happening throughout the trading day. This visualization can be incredibly useful for identifying trends and making informed trading decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the session indicator on Tradingview. I encourage you to play around with different settings and colors to see what best suits your trading needs. Thanks for watching and happy trading.